Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. Well, I'm refurbishing an Evolution motor, and I'm assembling the Tappets, and I'm using a tool from Harley-Davidson, the alignment tool. The tool number is HD33443. It's a Tappet guide alignment tool. Now, this is also sold at gyms and some other companies, but that's the Harley-Davidson part number for this tool. Now, this alignment tool is used for aligning the lifter blocks with the gasket and the hole. See, on both Tappet blocks on an Evolution, you have the feed hole for the Tappet. And so to keep everything aligned with the feed hole, you use the alignment to keep the gasket and everything in. That way you screw it in, and see there's a taper. So it's going to keep the Tappet block in the position that you need. Once this is in, not really tight, just snug, then you can put your other quarter 20 12-point bolts on the top, and then come back and replace that with the regular bolt. This tool is really needed for doing this to keep everything aligned, but this tool is also used for other items. I've found while working on Harley-Davidsons that if you have two of these alignment tools, twin cam rocker boxes, I use the breather hole mounts and put two of them in, and that aligns the gasket and the lower rocker box on top of the twin cam. So I don't have to worry about a gasket going out. And it can be used on Evolution rockers also. And then, once I've got the rocker assembly, I can also align it, two of them, to keep it both aligned while I'm putting it together. So this little tool, used in the past for shovel heads and Evos and doing Tappet blocks, no longer for the twin cam or the M8s, is a needed tool and a cool tool for aligning gaskets and Harley-Davidson parts. Thought I'd share this little tech tip. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.